This has been one of the busiest weeks in the European Parliament in Brussels. First, we had a seminar on sustainable tourism that we organised together with members from Catalonia and the Basque Country and Galicia, and we talked about how tourism was important to our economies, not just because of course it attracts visitors and helps the local economy, but because we need to include all of those elements like language, culture, history, which are important to all of our nations. And I was delighted to welcome Pellenig, a company from Anglesey, here to do a presentation, and it was really successful. We also launched our film. The IFA members who went to the West Bank at the end of last year, we launched a film of our visit, and about 100 people came to view that as well. So again, that was a very important milestone for us in the Parliament. But of course the news has been dominated this week by David Cameron's speech on Monday morning. For us in Plaid Cymru, the most important thing is the Welsh national interest. He talked a lot about Britain, but actually Wales benefits more from the European Union than we put in. I've done research which shows that on average it's about £40 per person in Wales per year that we get back over and above what we put in. But of course it helps our students, our farmers, our universities, our communities. It helps with jobs and training. In all ways, our membership of the European Union helps Wales and helps us build a strong economy for the future. So that's our focus. We want a debate on Wales. We want the people of Wales to decide on our future.